Samla Eugene San Lengdo ubala job nakaseng UDP na po maplang konstituensi bat uba penyak sing sim ubala job nakaseng NPP na po moran kaneng konstituensi. Kilong ki arngot na peneng ki MLA ki benang job ki bilang deki MLA ki mampat syong Korea Satya. Kini ki MLA ki benang sujit thamai ki lapan pau. Makalong ka yaki makin pendap lut yaki kam hapo kani ki sistem tam ke banwan hak bakin yo syong hakasuki MLA. Namar baka ayom jong kajing trekam ke mega SMD ke pementakan kunno haus nam arjar arpulai. Handai ke lapan pau ru ba kenyale kat bala bantrei nakam ta kabit ka biang jong ki pat ba. Hak baba Eugene lo ong ba ka kam kon kong e jong ukolong mat chakri ki pat ba. Kam juru banang yo jing ya subun ki ai nakam ta kajing trekam jong u kumu MLA. Mana kaliang ba penyai pan lo ong bakas mau keneng ke jaga kapang bun ki jaga badi ban penrai ne unyele ka bala bantrei sistem nakam ta kabit ka biang jong ki pat ba.
What will be your priorities now?
Obviously, my priority would be to serve the people at the utmost level I can.
Do you think that 1 year is enough for you to really serve the people of Mauplang constituency?
1 year is a very short time. As you know, the past 2 years, even in times of COVID, the years have just passed on very fast. So even this year, this coming year, 2022, is going to go by very fast. So in a year span, I'm not sure I'll be able to complete as much as I would like to, because we all know the works that he has done and the works that are pending. So in knowing that we are a state that has a lot of climate changes throughout the year, and there are works that depends on climate as well.
What are your challenges? The vast constituency, your challenges.
Pardon?
Your challenges.
What are the challenges for you?
Obviously, the main challenge is to shift profession from a football player to a politician.
So that is not easy for you.
Obviously, at the start, yeah, but as time goes by, I will learn.
Ba hoi hisnem sobanai kanam long kaba la lut ya baro henry ngin hapat ben bu no ki kimat ki bakam kongsan ben prioritize no ki jingtre kum ka umbam umdi kalenti singkien ka surop ben suk kali kawan nang ta kanika healthcare kanika healthcare ke jongi kaba naka state government ba kiwe ru te bakum ju ru nam ta ki kam nongrep ki babun bah ki nongrep ki safa bah kamtam na du menship senam bawan kini ke pandemik COVID-19 ngi kwa ban pej kini bat kum juru ka kani ke jing job jengi menta kani kenti kandai baik ke jing permen nam ta kitu ki badum ki ba rangli ki juki nang ta kitu ki ba si badang dan kam shisha ke jing rap nangi ku ki nomik mat kamtam na ka government